Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add HTML or embed code in Wix. So first we're going to open our site in the Wix editor. Then next we're going to click on the Add button on the top left corner. We're going to scroll to the right until we find the Embed option. Then click on it. We have two options to either embed a code or embed a site. Click on Embed Code. Then drag the box onto your page and click on it. Now it's going to open the settings where you guys can enter the HTML code. You can choose what to embed, a link or a code. Then you'll either paste your HTML or embed a script. When you finish, click on Apply. You guys can go back and embed a site as well. Drag it onto your page, then click on it. Here you can insert your link and click on Apply. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.